Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the exact SteelSeries model and current firmware so you know which drivers apply. Once done, plug the mic into a second device, like a phone, to determine whether the problem is software or hardware. Make sure to inspect the cable and connector for frays, and check the mute switch and any visible damage. These quick checks rule out easy fixes and save time before deeper configuration. Next, make sure SteelSeries GG or Engine and your device firmware are up to date. Outdated firmware often causes recognition or quality issues. Then configure the OS and app input. Choose the correct device, set sample rate and bit depth. 48K HZ and 24-bit are common, and disable enhancements and exclusive modes that can interfere. Once configured, adjust gain and monitoring. You should test with a recording to verify levels. To finish, reseat the cable and try a different USB port or a powered hub, since insufficient bus power can drop audio. If problems persist, perform a factory reset through the SteelSeries app or device instructions to clear corrupted settings. Make sure to test after each change so you know what fixed or failed. If nothing helps, swap in a known good mic as a definitive test. If that works, you likely need repair or replacement rather than more configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.